the desired options from each menu to create an intro of your own choice. You automatically move on when you are done selecting from the 3 menus. The first menu, which is background menu, which means that the screen behind the logo while the intro is going on. We will select one from here now. And the second menu, which is the logo entrance transition menu, which means how the logo will come in when the intro starts. And the third menu, which is confetti style menu, lets us choose the type of confetti which will burst while the intro is going on. Click See Inside, then go to the sprite called Intro Backpack This, then drag the disconnected codes to connect them with the When Green Flag Clicked hat block. Open the backpack and drag the sprite box into that. And then you are done. You can take this out from your backpack to any project you want to have that intro in. But remember not to change the variable called ZIC. If you change it, the intro won't work. If you are not satisfied with the intro you have already made, you can again repeat the whole process by clicking the green flag. This time we will select a new kind of combination with the whole screen covered backdrop with the logo entrance transition as bounce, and from the confetti style menu we will select the glow bubbles. There we have our new intro customized by ourselves, and we can use it any project of our choice. If you want to continue with how to use this intro, then you can click on the continue button. Otherwise, you can also click on the replay button. Now suppose we have created a new project and we want the intro to be applied on that. We will simply drag out the intro sprite out of the backpack into the sprite area. And remember that all of the hat blocks in your other sprites of the project should be when I receive start project and not when green flag clicked. Though every sprite should have when green flag clicked hide and another code block which is when I receive start project show. And there we have our new intro working.